Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tribo Geek. So today in this video, I'll be explaining about the information on the application procedure for the TRIBOS program. TRIBOS program is one of the Erasmus Mundus scholarship program. So today in this video, I'll be telling you what are all the documents that are required for the TRIBOS program, what is the selection procedure for the TRIBOS program, and also what is the scholarship amount what you're going to get if you get selected in the Erasmus Mundus scholarship for the TRIBOS program, and what are all the deadlines that you have to note to apply for the TRIBOS program. So if you guys are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribo Geek, do subscribe. Firstly, let's focus on what all documents that are required for the application procedure of the TRIBOS program. So there are very few important documents that are very much required for the application procedure, and they are your CV, that is nothing but your resume, your academic certificates, the IELTS or TOEFL English language certificate, the letter of recommendation, the motivation letter, the relevant experience letter, either it may be a research experience or some work relevant experience, and also your passport or your national identity card, and at last, that is the criminal conviction certificate. So these are all the important documents which are all required for the application procedure for the TRIBOS program. Firstly, coming to your CV, CV should contain what are all the things that you have undergone, that is your endorsements in your bachelor's or in your educational field before applying for the master's program. And the second is your academic skills, that is you have to provide the transcripts of your 10th standard, 12th standard, and also your degree certificate if in case that you are applying when you are studying your 8th semester, that is your in the last year, final year of your bachelor's. Then you have to fill a form saying that you will be finishing your degree before coming to the master's program. The third one is the English language certificate, that is either IELTS or the TOEFL. IELTS requires 6.5 score and TOEFL is 92 score, that is the cutoff scores, and these certificates has to be valid when you come to the first semester of the master's program. And the fourth one is the recommendation letter. Either you can provide a minimum of 2 recommendation letter and the maximum of 4 recommendation letter from any of your professor or your research guide or any of your industrial guide, etc. And also the motivation letter. So you have to write a motivation letter why you are applying for the TRIBOS program and what is the purpose of applying for the TRIBOS program, and previous research experience or the work related experience has to be given. That is, you can either provide a research experience certificate or also the work related certificate. And the seventh one is the passport copy or the national identity certificate. So you have to provide a copy of your passport or your national identity card. In India it is an Aadhaar card. And the last one is no criminal record certificate, where you have to provide a certificate which says that you do not hold any criminal records in your country. And this in case of India, you get this record from the Passport Seva Kendra, where you have to book an appointment for the no criminal record certificate. And it's a one-day procedure where after booking the appointment, you will be getting this certificate on that day itself if you do not hold any criminal records. So these are all the important documents what you have to mandatorily submit for the TRIBOS program. So now let's talk about the selection procedure for the TRIBOS program. So the selection procedure is based on 4 criteria, and these 4 criteria is the academic, the language skills, the previous relevant experience, and the motivation letter. So how much are all these criteria are going to weigh? That is, for academics it is given 50% of the weightage, and for the language skills it is given 20% of the weightage, and for the motivation letter it's given 10% of the weightage, and for the relevant experience it's given 20% of the weightage. So you have to be very strong in all these 4 criteria to get selected in this program. Now let's talk about the scholarship. So if you get the Erasmus Mundus scholarship for this TRIBOS program, how much scholarship are you gonna get? So you will be getting 3,000 euros per year for the traveling cost, and also with this you'll be getting 1,000 euros as an installation cost, and you'll be getting 1,000 euros every month as in living expenses. So this is the scholarship amount what you're gonna get in hand for the TRIBOS program if you get selected in the TRIBOS Erasmus Mundus scholarship. So this is about the scholarship. So what is the deadline for applying for the TRIBOS program? So already the application has started for this year, that is 2020. So the application has started from November 5th, 2020, and the deadline for applying is 31st January 2021. If you are applying with scholarship, that is for the Erasmus Mundus scholarship, then the 31st is the deadline for this application procedure. So you have to keep in mind about these deadlines and apply accordingly. So today in this video, I have explained all about the documents required, what is the selection procedure, what are the criteria for the selection procedure, what is the scholarship amount, what you're going to get for this TRIBOS program, what is the deadline for the TRIBOS program, and also a basic structure of this. And also I'll be putting the link to apply for this program in this video description, so you can visit the link, and also you can get more information about this program in that link. So if you guys have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Tribology, do subscribe, and I would wish everyone all the best for applying for this program, and see you in the next video.